Good morning. It's another beautiful day here in Salvador. It's nice and early, and B has been itching to go for an early beach session. Since we have run past here twice already, and we always run by the beach when we can in these beach towns, but we never like actually just go to the beach early. And so this is what B's had in mind. He wants to go to this one especially because it looks like they've got real calm water and that's easiest to relax in. We're bloody excited for this. I'm impressed by a lot of these Nordeste beach cities, how clean they've kept all of their beachfronts, because it's difficult. It's hard to keep these places clean, as we've seen in other places, but I mean everywhere around in Salvador seems to be really clean by the front, wherever we've been really in Brazil so far. So this morning we're just going to find which beach we're going to go to. There's swimming lessons going on at this beach right next to us. I think
train as well for
they're doing a little transition. Yeah, look, they've got a little triathlon club. Noticed the other day they had a running club right along the front as well. This is so cool that anyone seems to be able to access it. Behind me and actually all along the beachfront they have guys selling their coconuts. They can either just sell them as coconut water, like they put them in the bottles or in the cups for you, or they sell them as coconut. Cool thing is now in Brazil, this has changed over the last couple years already. Basically everyone accepts Apple Pay or whatever pay you have. So you can even come in theory with little planning, just your watch, you're sorted. Brazil's got to be one of the most like entrepreneurial countries I've ever known. They're selling the watches that have been imported, the different straps for your bands, the Garmin watches, all of that. Yeah. And where are they located? Right where everyone runs, right where everyone is doing their triathlon training.
Yeah, and what happened? We bought them. Just bought new straps and case for my Apple Watch.
Selling goggles as well. Yeah, exactly. So they work.
I was thinking about buying it all, but then when I started like, actually, I really want a black one.
Yeah. And it's the same thing for all the coconut waters, and then there's people just walking up and down selling cold water as well. Like, it's very smart. Alright, so here we have the legendary Baiana Aracajé. If you haven't seen this already, you need to go back and watch some of our earlier videos. Yeah, made from beans. So open it up. Ooh, the vatapa inside. Carbs in there. Let's get some salsa in there. Oh, I'm a bit ambitious. And shall I put a bit of this pimenta? Que coisa maravilha.
If you come to Bahia, something they're going to do is eat acarajé.
Oh.
Real good.
It's so light. So it's like a bread. No, it works really well. Oh, I'm so impressed.
This is really good. We didn't eat much vatapa here, but those ones I ate just very good.
The tempeh dish, the first tempeh thing we've had in Brazil. Yeah. Moqueca, which we're definitely familiar with by now.
Just fried banana. Banana
vatapa. Oh, cream beans here.
And it's quite sweet as well.
Yeah.
So this is one dish and I can choose like 3 sides, and this is another dish and you can choose 3 sides. So we go for kind of everything, so we can try a little bit of everything. I have here the second plate. How's everything?
Yeah, delicious. Like, it's so fishy. I've never tasted like something.
Because it's alga.
It's the algae, so it's like salty, very good. This is like Asian sweet. Yeah, everything else just very good. It's also a very, very baiana plate. Right, vatapa, pirão.
All the goodies. Baiana food is 10 of 10. Maybe.
Bolo de estudante. The student cake. They say bolo.
Yeah.
Bolinho.
Because you have to use diminutive words.
Because it's tiny. So it's like, it's a cake but made with tapioca, lemon, sugar. What else? That's it.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon is fried. Looks like a churro.
Churros.
A churro.
Yeah, churro.
You see how it stretches like jelly?
Is it good? I can't even think about it. How is this?
Because of the texture of the tapioca is light and it stretches. Ooh. And it's so like zesty with the lemon and the sugar and the cinnamon. Oh yeah.
It's good. It's perfect.
This is so good we had to get a second order in.
Which is honestly, I can't even explain. So it's mind blowing. It's a tapioca that makes it so nice. It's like a stretchy, sticky.
And so what we thought best to do is, whilst we're doing this laundry, you could pick a laundrette right by the beachfront and go check out the beach for the sunset whilst our clothes clean. Then once our clothes dry, go get dinner. Gonna be honest, we are still probably quite tired from our 2 massive days of travel today. So we had a lot of work to catch up on as well, but aside from that, it's just this trip I have underestimated for sure the mental drain that this amount of travel will actually take on us. B warned me the whole time that it would be like this. He said, nah, it's gonna be fine, we're gonna love it, it's gonna be great. And we do love it, and it has been great, but it has also been tiring. So as we head back down towards Curitiba, we've got to just still remember how lucky we are to be traveling to this place, and how amazing and how appreciative we are of all the amazing sights and places that we get to see. We really wanted to come here and enjoy what a cool city is, because it did leave a good impression on us. So we came here running this morning. Look at this.
There'll be a samba going on in the background. People just enjoying the sunset. Almost sunset, really. Sunset in 20 minutes. It's great. It's really nice. It's beautiful.
We've gone through a fair few sort of boardwalks on this trip as well. This is a great one. The city has this whole colonial vibe. Is this the oldest city in Brazil?
Yeah.
We know that Salvador was the main place that the slave trade happened. Millions upon millions upon millions of Africans were sold here into the slave trade to go be slaves on all the farms all over Brazil. Here is where they got dropped off. This is the exact sort of water that you like.
Yeah, I know, it's lovely.
So now we're right at the point of the Barra beach, where it's like right in the corner of the city. This city is cool.
It's really nice because like it's people running here all day long. See how here the ocean is like open.
That's exactly what I was going to say.
We
So it's wavy,
yeah.
whereas the other one is more interior with the river.
Yeah, it was kind of close, right?
Blocked off by this, yeah. So you don't get the tidal waves, not tidal waves, but the waves from the top.
Waves.
Now look at that sunset between us.
Pretty.
How pretty.
It has so much history and so much nice things to see and do.
We're gonna do that.
Yeah, it's a shame. If you
tomorrow.
come to Brazil, honestly, you should come here.
Salvador, did you know it's the most African city outside of Africa? More pizza.
So we're here at Big Vegan, and this place does a lot of burgers. There they do lunch as well, and they also do pizzas and this kind of food. So what we got here was a sausage pizza and 3 cheese, and TJ went for nordestina and mushroom.
Ooh. Yeah, this is good.
That's it.
Different from the other pizza.
Yeah. Yeah, this is more like a Brazilian pizza in my time. But look, it's thin.
You got 2 slices there. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's mostly just burgers. Like they've got different types of burgers that you can get.
So you can order like beans or chickpeas or even the future burgers and stuff like that. And then you can make it yourself. They've got fries. Real basic stuff, but it's good to have something like this here. And it's always good for us to support.
Let's eat.
And then dessert. Oh, this is heavy.
Yeah, dessert time.
Nice truffle. That's like a giant Ferrero Rocher. Oh.
You can't fix it.
And I believe it. Came with a bite in it.
Delicious, right?
So sweet, but very, very chocolatey. Oh yeah.
Fruit.
Oh yeah. They've got loads of different cakes here, right?
Yeah.
As we finish our laundry and head back to our apartment, we will wrap this video here. If you enjoyed this video and made it to the end, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video. We also love chatting with you in the comments below, so drop us a message. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!